What's up, guys? So I just landed a new trick, a trick that I haven't done before. And today I'm going to teach it to you, and hopefully we'll learn a couple other new tricks along the way. So I haven't done this trick before. I think you would call it a tail slide pop-up. It's just like dropping down into a tail slide and then popping up. Oh, it's so bright. All right, so I'll do the first and second trick right here. So first trick, I was just messing around with this, falling down into a tail slide here, trying to slide just a little bit. So yeah, you're going parallel with this, and then you turn and fall off perpendicular with it, land on it until you start sliding a little bit. And when you get towards the end, you're going to do an ollie. So you're going to like push down the front of the board and then push on the tail, pop up and turn your shoulders, and then you're going to try as hard as you can to get your front wheels up there like this, and then do a little nose manual. Now if you're going with enough momentum, you could just like pop out straight onto both sets of wheels, but you're probably going to have to just try as hard as you can to get your front wheels on there and just lift up the back wheels, because you'd have to be going pretty quick, and this thing takes a lot of your speed when you fall into a tail slide. The second trick is very similar. So this trick came naturally right after. You go fakie and then just kind of pivot or ollie into a tail slide from fakie. So you're just kind of turning into it. You're going almost parallel, maybe at a 45-degree angle, turning into it, landing on that tail, and then doing the same thing out. What I like about this board is my foot can just sit nicely right here. Just rest, it's flat. It's got like 3 or 4 fingers of flat after the back bolts, so it's got a nice place for my foot to just kind of sit there and chill out and rest. There's a spider. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing at the skate park? You a skateboarding spider? So I skated for several hours with my homie from California. His family moved here, I guess. So I had a lot of inspiration today. I thought, what if I ollied to the second step and landed on the tail? It's another thing I haven't done before, but basically you just go really slow, because you don't have to go with a lot of speed to ollie these stairs in general, but you go almost barely rolling, ollie, and then just spot your landing. Just throw your weight on your back foot and land on the tail down there on the second stair, then kind of just drop into it. Actually, it just works. So after that, I was thinking, well, what if I did a back tail pop over? It's the same trick as the first two basically, but I'm trying to get 5 in here. So get into the tail and just pop over, but you're sliding backwards. It's a little bit harder, but I definitely have never done that before.
This gas is going. That's not even doable.
So what to do next? I could come fakie and ollie to the second stair, or I could try to do like a blunt stall or blunt slide on this. I've never done that before. Let's see if I can stall on this. This is a weird spot. It's gonna make me look really bad because I'm struggling. I'm not good at blunt stalls or blunt slides anyway. So it's kind of a perfect spot because it goes from really low to kind of low. So you can get into it at any point. So I can get into it where my tail can still touch for safety there. And then I can kind of just push myself out of it into a 5 over 50-50. This is embarrassing though, because I'm really bad at this. Yeah, that blunt slide is hard. So I'm gonna try to do some blunt slides on the quarter pipe and then go back to it. It's pretty sticky. It's kind of hard to skate that thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching. So we got an Andy Griffith shirt here with Andy and Barney. Aunt B's here in the armpit. Who's in this armpit? Oh wow, Barney's got an evil twin. Got Opie down here, Howard, Sprague, and Gomer. Wow.
Who are you talking to?
You?
Oh. Give me hold it.
So what do you think about these green pants?
I think they look great on you. I cannot believe it. I mean, I am shocked.
You're shocked that they look good on me?
They look good on you.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah, they look good on you.